In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use any LLM in Weavy AI. We'll start inside the Weavy AI app. If you're not already there, open it in your browser. From the home screen, either create a brand new file or open an existing one where you want to build your flow. A blank canvas or an existing workspace both work fine. On the canvas, right-click anywhere in the empty space to open the node menu. From that menu, choose Prompt. This first prompt will hold the user message, the thing you want the model to respond to. Click into the field and type your prompt clearly and concisely. You can add context, constraints, or an example, but keep it focused so the model understands exactly what you need. Next, right-click on empty space again to bring up the menu, and choose Prompt one more time. This second prompt will act as the system prompt. Type guidance here that defines the model's role or style, such as tone, output format, or boundaries. Think of it as the rules of engagement that the model should follow consistently. Right-click on the canvas once more to open the menu. In the search, type Run any LLM, then select it. This node lets you route your prompts to the model provider of your choice so you can swap models without redesigning your flow. Now connect the outputs. Drag a connector from the first prompt node, the user prompt, into the appropriate input on the Run any LLM node. Then connect the second prompt, the system prompt, into the system or instruction input on the same node. With both connections in place, your flow now delivers role instructions and the actual user request to the model in the right order. When everything looks good, click Run Model. Weavy AI will execute the flow and return the model's response. If the output isn't quite right, refine the wording of your prompts rather than changing the structure. Sharpen the system prompt to reinforce style or constraints, and adjust the user prompt to be specific about the task, data, and desired format. That's it. You've set up a simple, flexible flow that can talk to any LLM through a single node. This configuration works across a variety of tasks, and incremental prompt tweaks over time will steadily improve your results. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.